What is that? It's a bug. What kind of bug is that? Is that a roach or what is it? Y'all see the car lifting up? We hustle daily. What's going on, Hustle Nation? Welcome back to another video. It's your boy Big Play Ray, man. We about to get right into it, man. We at Copart. We about to do this walk around here, man. They got that Ford Edge for sale still, so we're gonna check out that Ford Edge. But yeah, man, we about to get right into it. I ain't gonna talk y'all ear off, man. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell, follow me on all social media platforms, links in the description, and make sure you go to wehustledaily.com if you don't want no limit at the auction, man. I'm trying to tell y'all. First up on our list, though, we got a Dodge Ram truck. Now, well, this ain't on our list, but we're gonna put it on our list. Damn, I got a lot of tires in here. I just stopped over here by it and decided to start the video, and I was like, hey, it's a nice little truck here, but I don't know, it caught my attention because it's old. Oh, I didn't see that. Damn, this thing was in good condition though. Looked like they got smacked, but this was a truck that was in pretty good condition. This Dodge Ram minivan or whatever you want to call it. So even if you look in the front, like, it ain't no damage on this thing. I mean, it ain't dirty or nothing in the front, but it's definitely damage on it. As you can see, they smacked something pretty bad. But that sucks, man. 1985 truck. 13,000 miles only on this thing too. That's crazy. Yeah, man, they messed it up though. But it was a clean truck. It was a clean van, or rather, I keep calling it a truck, so I guess it's the Dodge Ram. Let me see. Hold up, y'all. Might as well. I don't think it's gonna crank though, cause y'all see the front end of it. Almost. Had a little power. They would have cranked right on up though, man. That was something different to see. And I think this is new because I ain't seen this one in here. So don't keep it moving, but somebody done burnt up they vet, huh? Man, oh man. Somebody done burnt up the vet. Damn. All right, y'all, let's see if we can find something else in here though, man, because we got a couple of cars to check out today. Only that Ford Edge. They reselling that Ford Edge from last time, so we gonna see what that's looking like, see what that sell for. But I didn't want to pay for well, they want more money for it because I didn't want to pay what they paid I think it was last week. I didn't want to pay what they paid last week. Damn, did that car sell last week twice? I don't even remember. It might have sold twice, and it might have sold twice. I don't know. If y'all don't know what Ford Edge I'm talking about, I'm gonna show y'all in a minute. But let's go look for this red car. I'm looking for a little red car, so I'll be right back. All right, so we got a Ford Focus here, 107,000 miles. That Ford Edge actually is reselling because I know we seen it sell for, I forgot what it sold for. If y'all remember watching my videos, that Ford Edge is actually still for sale. This thing kind of dirty, but what is that? It's a bug. What kind of bug is that? Is that a roach or what is it? That definitely looks like a roach. All right. Sorry for all the bug lovers. But shit, I don't even know if I want this car no more now. We gonna see if it crank up though. One thing about it, guys, I do not mess with cars with bugs in it. Roaches, rather. See a spider or something, or an ant maybe, you know what I'm saying? That's cool, but roaches? Hell no. To the no, no, no. Hell to the no. To the no, no. Matter of fact, I'll give y'all a funny story, boy. I damn near, a couple of days ago. Yeah, this don't open. That shit broke. A couple of days ago, goddamn, I'm looking I'm having my little balcony door open. I'm like, okay, you know what I'm saying? Trying to get the breeze. It was nighttime. I seen the goddamn, I don't know if this motherfucker was a water bug or a roach, but let me see. You could get a good one. That motherfucker was about this big, black, coming in the door. I'm like, oh. Took the brooms his ass quick. I was like, you know what? We won't be opening the balcony door no more. I will not be opening the balcony door no more. Fuck that. This one, man, this one, I don't know. What year is this thing? It's a newer car. I just know it had a clear title. I'll be putting everything with the clear titles on my list. Oh, I didn't even see the check engine light. 2013 107 on the miles. I know this probably gonna go higher than what I want to pay anyway, honestly. 2013 with 107, yeah. You see how much they paid for the let me show y'all the 4 Edge, but that 4 Edge is actually a little older car. But I'll be back with y'all in a minute. Let's see if we can find something else, but I'm straight on this one. That roach thing kind of blew me. And the price and the year and all that, and it's dirty. I don't know, I just still got a bad feeling about it. I don't know, I'll be having a bad feeling about Fords. But I will buy a Taurus though, ain't that something else? I don't know, even though Ford Tauruses are trash, I don't know, I'll buy them. What's up, Hustle Nation? This video has been sponsored to you by whdacademy.com, the online course that's going to teach you everything you need to know about the auction game, all my tips on how to properly inspect cars, and most importantly, how to make money. As you can see, I've been doing this for a while, and as you can also see, I have plenty of testimonials on how I've helped others gain success in this business. So if you're interested in learning, be sure to click the link in the description below. All right, got the range over here. 2017, 44,000 miles, 44405. Now, I like this one. Oh, look at the back. That's it. Supercharged. That's it. Oh, a little bit more. A little bit more. We got a window. We got the inner panel, split, crack, replace, door separated. I ain't about to read all that, but y'all see what's going on. It's a lot that happened over on this side of the car. Now I like this one because I like that the top is I like that the top is a different color from the car. It's like, I definitely, like if I would get one of these. Oh, is that a wrap? No, it's not a wrap, I don't think. Then they got that tan interior. All these things smell the same. Oh, that thing got power too, man. This thing ready to ride. Is the doors clapped by itself? Let's see. Yep, they do. Ooh, that thing's pretty clean for 2017. They kept it clean. For it to be these color seats, that's not bad. 44,000 miles, so you know they've been driving it. A little DVD. No, that's not DVDs. Yeah. Let me see. What a start button to this joint all up there. Crank it right up, boy. I don't know, man. I like these cars. I don't know, really. I just like them. I've driven one before, and it wasn't even a V8. That joint was fast. Oh, they sure came a long way. Look at this. Got one right by it. Man, these rocks, man. These rocks and all this stuff. They came a long way, man. Y'all see the car lifting up? That joint lifting all the way up. Now it's leveling back down. Okay. Okay. So yeah, man, they came a long way from that to this. This one needs to raise up. You can see it. Came a long way. They still kept the same concept as far as like the inside and stuff. It still look pretty similar, but just the body style of it. I never really liked this body style Range Rover. I never really liked this one. It was too square. It was too square for me. But that one nasty. I've actually driven one of these before and everything, and it wasn't a supercharged, and these things are fast. Super fast, bro. I don't know if you ever driven one, but these things are faster than you think. And I know the supercharger one got to be fast, and it's not even, because I didn't even drive the one with the supercharger. And then we got this Nismo here, 370Z. I used to actually want one of these, but got some big old wheels on that thing. Need they offset. This one damaged pretty bad though. Well, not super bad. Of course, we've seen way worse. Just the fender and stuff like that. Let's see what it looked like on the inside. You know these. Oh my god, it's a 2014. He ain't do nothing really on the inside. I thought it was gonna like have a whole bunch done on the inside. Is that a roof? Nah, no roof or nothing. It's just regular. Just regular. I like this. 62,000 miles on it. Little compartment. Put the TV in here. Ain't no room in the back for nothing. Oh, they give you a little trunk room. I think the other one was smaller than this one. This one riding though, man. So this would be like a good one right here because dude, this one probably be a nice little project for somebody. All they really would need is a fender and some wires. This piece. Probably can fiberglass that. Probably don't even need another hood either. Attach them wires to the lights and all of that. This might be good to go. Alright. Yeah, this will probably be a nice little project to rebuild. Hold on. Oh, I thought I seen something hangling dangling over there. Why did it say 100,000 miles and that say 60? Oh, my bad. It is 101. I was looking at the wrong number. Let's see. Hit the gas a little bit. Ain't no popping or nothing. I like these because they got the pedal shifters, but the pedal shifters is like the whole pedal shifter. It's not just like, you know, like a piece of it. But yeah, man, back to this. Let's turn this thing off. Y'all seen that thing lift up? That was pretty cool. He's kind of off the ground now. But yeah, man, I think these are nice. I like these trucks, me personally. I know a lot of people say they trash and stuff. Ooh, and the AC feel good. It's kind of hot out here today too, y'all. The sun ain't out, but we can let that up. Ooh. I don't know if it's the car or what. Yeah, I like this car, man. I ain't gonna flex to y'all. Big play rate in the Range Rover. What y'all think? Let me know in the comments below. But I'll be back with y'all in a minute, man. Let me stop messing around and see if I find this car. So I'll be back. Alrighty, we got a 2021 Ford Explorer. 2021. It got 257 miles on it. That's it. That's all. It done wrecked the 2021 Ford Explorer already, bro. The back. Let's see. See what the front looking like. Ooh, got some wires hangling and dangling right here. Just hangling and dangling. 2021, y'all. Like I say, 257 miles, man. That's it. That's all, bro. Nothing else. You got the damn the whole grill up on the hood for some reason. Dang, he would put all that dust over here. Man, it's so hard to walk, man. Okay, I see that metallic in them. Oh, damn, so just went in my eye. So, metallic on the paint. Y'all see it? Now, let's see what they did to the interior. That's plain Jane. Leather seats they gave you. No sunroof they didn't give you. Oh, they gave you the curtains on the windows. And this is kind of plain here to me, if you ask me. How do you open that? Just like that. It's kind of plain though. They give you the thing similar to the Range Rover that we seen. Hold up. They put this up here like the Range Rover. Cranks right up. Let me get some of that AC if you don't mind. It's a little hot out here, partner, if you don't mind. I don't want to hear that music. Got the little Cyrus radio in there. I don't want to hear it. I don't want to hear it. But yeah, man. Is the AC working, bro? Because it's definitely hot. But what do y'all think about it? It's honestly kind of plain to me. They give you the little thing to charge your phone right here. Nothing in here. This, nothing special. Nothing special. Nothing special. I ain't got nothing too special, man. Remote for the garage. That's pretty cool. Gas is empty. But what do y'all think though? Is it hidden on something or what? I mean, to me it's pretty plain. They could have, I don't know. It's just plain to me. They could have did a little better with it. Yeah, they just could have did a little better, man. In my opinion. It does got the third row. There's your bumper right there. Can't lift that up. But yeah, man, y'all let me know what y'all think about it. To me, it's kind of plain, but hey, that's just my opinion, you know? But let's keep it moving. Let's turn this thing off and keep it moving. Let me see. Okay, it got some nice little shifters. I don't know, it's just their interior is kind of, you know, just plain, you feel me? But what y'all think about it? Let me know in the comments below. Man, oh man. And I missed it. I missed it, man. Talking to y'all, I missed it. But this car, I remember last week it had, not last week or the week before last, I don't remember if this car is sold twice already, but it sold for $1,600, guys. Sold for $1,600. They put it back online. I don't know if they put it back online twice, but they put it back online. I was already on the edge of this edge because I didn't know if it, you know, look at the condition. It looks like it was been sitting up. So if you pay attention to it, it look like it's been sitting up for a while, right? You can see all this stuff on the car. Spider webs and stuff on the car. Strings from the pine straws, whatever that shit called, from the car, you know what I'm saying? Then on top of that, it is a Ford. I don't know how these transmissions are in these Fords, man. My boy just had my partner just had a Ford Focus, 2017 Ford Focus, and boy, transmission, you know, so I was kind of on the edge of this edge on if I should get it or not. And if you check out the interior, man, look like some of the elements done got in here, so I just wasn't sure, you know. I just wasn't sure, guys. I just wasn't sure. So but I did just miss it, I'm quite sure. And what I mean by it sold for $1,600 and they put it back online because they want more money for it. So that's what's been happening with the car. And as you can see, man, they got all type of mold and stuff. And honestly, I ain't really feeling like cleaning none of this up or none of that anyway, bro. Look, like it's just, I mean, that's not hard, but just scrubbing this and just like that's mold right there. So, you know, I don't know, but I had made a video and I was asking y'all, should I have bought it for the $1,600? And you know, if y'all think it was worth it. Oh yeah, what year and stuff is it? Hold up, I didn't even tell y'all what year and what the miles was on this thing. She was a mom. She is a mom. 2007 Ford Edge with 189 on the miles. So it had sold for 16 out the door. That's out the door price. So y'all let me know, but today I don't know what it sold for. I missed it, you know what I'm saying? So, and I didn't set up the like a pre-bid or nothing like that, because honestly I didn't even want to pay 16 for it, man. So, you know, and obviously they want a certain amount of money for the vehicle that I don't want to pay. So, you know, it is what it is though, but I ain't gonna sweat it. But I appreciate y'all tuning in, man. Shout out to the whole Hustle Nation. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe to the channel. I love y'all, appreciate y'all, man. It's gonna be a wrap. Make sure y'all go to wehustledaily.com if y'all interested in learning how to buy and sell these whips. It's your boy Ray, Big Play Ray. I'm out. Peace.